How to recover your Destiny 2 account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily recover your Destiny 2 account. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device and you want to search in for BungieNet login, as I have done so on the screen. Now here you can see the very first link, BungieNet, and you can see login option. You want to simply tap on the very first link that says login. Once you do so, here it will take you to the login page. Now on login page, what you want to do here is I'll just head into login page here quickly. You want to simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see search, you can see a little world icon there, and you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and once you do so, here you should be headed into sign in page. Now you want to select the platform that you created your account with, either PlayStation, Steam, Xbox, Epic Games, or Twitch. In my case, I'll just select Steam, and once you do so, here it should take you to, now here it will ask you to sign in to account. You can see sign in with account name, and you can see password. Now you want to type in your email, and here you can see now you want to tap on help icon sign in option, and once you do so, now this is for Steam, right? If you are on PlayStation and such, if you are on PlayStation, if your account was created with PlayStation, you want to select PlayStation, and then you want to simply tap on forgotten password, and from there it'll prompt you through a couple of steps, and there you'll be able to recover your account. So this way you can recover your Destiny 2 account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.